Hi YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today I'm going to do a tribute wall to my dad who passed away recently. So I'm going to do a Dems piece with a dad inside it, in respect and memory of my father, who was a great man. He was a very spiritual man, and he had a painful death towards the end, suffering with terminal lung cancer, and I was by his side throughout. So it's really tough losing somebody you love and watching them go. So I'm going to do this piece in remembrance to him. My dad was my world, and now he's transitioned, he's passed on. He's now my star, my universe, somebody who I will look to for guidance, and he will always be with me up here. So to you, this one's for you, Dad. So you can see behind me, I've just blacked out my letters. I've got simple, comfortable style that I'm used to, my generic letters, and I'm going to add Dad inside in the fill, and maybe a green. I'm going to try and figure that out now. My idea is to have a dark fill, so black with turquoise letters inside, and then a white outline, maybe a drop shadow, and some fluorescent pink shapes as a background. I've sketched the word Dad, and it's sort of at an angle, and I'm going to do the 3D, and it's sort of going back into the distance. So it's a bit of a tricky one, but I'm going to try and work it out. That's inside the piece. So I've got the basic 3D Dad letters inside the infill, and I'm just going to tweak it a bit. You can see it's going off into the distance. Right, so I'm happy with the 3D letters now. I'm going to use a black with an astro, and I'm just going to lightly dust over it so it looks like it's fading into the darkness. So before I do the outline, I'm going to add some Porto, it's like a magenta colour, around and cover up some of the piece behind this piece and just disguise it. So I'm going to add like some shapes behind the piece now with this pink. So this is the piece now with the pink background. So I'm going to add some fluoro to it, and I've added a bit of fluoro pink. So now it's time to use a bit of white and get that outline on there. So this is loop white, and just like that, the white outline's on, just like that. So that's pretty much the piece done. I'm just going to add up an RIP, rest in peace, Dad. Dad, what would you rather eat, a baby goat or a matter baby?
A baby goat.
A baby goat? Why?
Because I don't know what a matter baby is.
You can always ask me.
Oh, right, okay. Well, what's the matter, baby?
Nothing. What's the matter, baby, with you?
Oh God.
It's one thing I've learned from my father's death, and that is that it's all right to feel pain. We all feel pain. If you didn't feel any sort of emotion, then you didn't really love that person. And it's part of feeling alive. Just all these different emotions and feelings. It's all part of being alive and knowing you're alive. So that's it. I know it's a bit of a depressing subject matter, but if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.